Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to screen record and screenshot on your Android device. Solve black screen problem. So let's proceed. So first of all, we're going into our Play Store. And from here, we wanna go and search for Screenshot Touch, just like this one right here. You wanna make sure that you go right here. So let's search it so you can see it. Here, you wanna go here and type Screenshot Touch, and you should see this app right here. You wanna tap on this app right here, and you wanna tap on Install. So once it is done installing, you can now open it. So let's open it right here. So let's go and find it. Here it is. So let's open our Screenshot Touch right here, and we want to allow notifications right here so that we can see it in our notifications when it's recording. And this is your guide right here. So we will be doing this guide, so tap on OK, and you want to tap here so that we can allow the Screenshot Touch to access photos and so on and display over apps. And you want to find it right here, Screenshot Touch right here. So now that it's turned on, we want to go back, and we can now start now right here. This would pop up right here, so start now, and this we would have this icon, and we should just go press no for this one. We don't need to enable this. So we have the screenshot icon right here, so when you start your monitoring service, but let's stop for now. And another way to turn that on is you want to go into your home screen, and from here you can just hold the icon for Screenshot Touch, and you would have these different options right here that you can use. You can start or stop service, you can capture, and you can even start or stop recording. And you can access the settings to this in your screenshot. So from here you can see the file format, the quality, and so on. You can adjust that, and if you want to adjust the recording or your screen record settings, then you can tap here on this button. So recording settings, tap here, and you would see the settings right here. So you can set the resolution right here. Let's say you want it to be full HD, and you want the frame rate and bit rate and so on. You can utilize or just modify it all right here. And this will be the indication that when your Screenshot Touch is recording your device, then there would be this red something right here, this red bar at the side of your screen. So that would be your cue or mark that it is recording. And once you have set all that, you can now use your Screenshot Touch however you want. And that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.